Electrical fires kill over 500 Americans every year and injure thousands more. The scary part? Most of them start silently, inside walls, while you're sleeping. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 electrical fire hazards in homes, and exactly how to fix every one of them. Check every cord in your home. If you see exposed wires, fraying, or cracks, replace it immediately. Don't tape it. Replace it. A frayed cord next to carpet or curtains is all it takes. Extension cords are temporary. Using them permanently overloads the wire and creates heat. If you need more outlets, get a licensed electrician to install them. Never run extension cords under rugs. It's a hidden fire waiting to happen.
Each outlet has a load limit. Plugging in too many high-draw devices can melt the outlet. If your outlet feels warm, unplug everything, then call a licensed electrician.
Homes built before 1980 may have aluminum wiring or knob and tube systems that aren't safe for modern electrical loads. Signs, flickering lights, frequent breaker trips, burning smell. Get an electrical inspection. Some older panels, Zinsco and Federal Pacific are the most notorious, are known fire hazards. If your home has one of these, get it replaced. Wiring done by non-electricians is one of the most common causes of electrical fires. It's not worth the savings. Always hire a licensed professional for electrical work. Using a 100-watt bulb in a 60-watt fixture creates heat that can ignite the fixture. Always check the max wattage before replacing bulbs.
Space heaters pull 1,500 watts, more than most extension cords can handle. Always plug them directly into a wall outlet.
Phones and laptops charging in bed, under pillows, or on soft surfaces that block airflow can overheat. Charge on hard surfaces and unplug when full. Arc fault circuit interrupter breakers detect dangerous electrical arcs before they become fires. Many older homes don't have them. Ask your electrician about upgrading. It's one of the best investments in home safety you can make.
If this helped you, please subscribe and share it with your family and friends.